DropGenius is a powerful tool that promises to revolutionize the way you handle your online marketing. But before you dive in, here are 7 things you need to know about DropGenius before you decide to make the purchase. Stick around to the end, because I'm going to give you some insights that could save you a lot of time and money, especially if you're considering alternatives like Klaviyo or Omnisend. First off, DropGenius offers an incredibly user-friendly interface. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience with marketing software, you'll appreciate how easy it is to set up and navigate. Many tools on the market are clunky or take forever to configure, but DropGenius cuts down that learning curve. That alone makes it stand out, but there's more. Next thing you'll want to know is how powerful the automation is. DropGenius really shines in this area. It allows you to create highly personalized email sequences that are triggered by specific actions from your leads and customers. You won't need to spend hours manually sorting through your database. The automated workflows handle all the heavy lifting, freeing up your time to focus on scaling your business. And yes, it competes directly with tools like Klaviyo in this space. If you're already using a competitor, you might find the ease of use with DropGenius much more efficient. The third thing to mention is its seamless integration with e-commerce platforms. DropGenius integrates flawlessly with platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce, making it a solid choice for online store owners. With these integrations, you get automatic syncing of customer data, which allows you to segment and personalize your messaging like never before. This is where DropGenius really outperforms some of its competitors that may require more manual effort to sync data or use third-party apps. Now, the fourth thing is the pricing structure. DropGenius offers great flexibility, especially for smaller businesses or those just getting started. It's not as expensive as Klaviyo, yet it provides similar features, which is a huge win. If you're on the fence about dropping $100+ a month on a tool like Klaviyo, DropGenius gives you a more affordable solution without sacrificing quality or performance. In fact, you can get started with it completely free, and I'll tell you where you can find that offer later. The fifth thing you should know is its strong analytics and reporting capabilities. This is a crucial feature if you want to get the most out of your marketing campaigns. DropGenius provides detailed insights into open rates, click rates, and even revenue generated by specific campaigns. This level of insight helps you continuously optimize your email marketing strategy and achieve better results over time, without having to rely on guesswork. The sixth point is its customer support. DropGenius offers excellent customer service with live chat and a helpful knowledge base. Whether you're struggling with technical issues or need advice on campaign strategies, they're quick to respond and eager to help. In comparison to other platforms like Omnisend, whose support can sometimes feel a bit slower, DropGenius has a strong reputation for being responsive and effective. And finally, the last thing to know before committing is the advanced segmentation options. DropGenius allows you to segment your email lists based on behavior, purchase history, and more. This level of segmentation ensures that you're not just blasting out generic emails, but instead delivering tailored content that resonates with your audience. It's a big differentiator when compared to other tools that don't allow for this level of precision in targeting. If all this sounds good to you, you can actually try DropGenius completely free from the first link below. You'll get access to the full functionality and can see for yourself how it compares to other software like Klaviyo or Omnisend. The best part is that by using the link, you'll also unlock exclusive benefits that you can't get anywhere else. So before making any final decisions, make sure you give DropGenius a try. Click the first link in the description to grab your free trial and start seeing results. Don't forget, the right marketing tool can make all the difference in growing your business. And DropGenius could be exactly what